You only have to take a few steps inside of this building to gain an understanding as to why it's one of the most important and leading opera houses in the world. But it's not only the architecture of the Vienna State Opera House, it's also the people who work here and their amazing skills. Every night you can witness world-class artists, both on the stage and behind the conductor's desk, accompanied by the spectacular orchestra of the Vienna State Opera, whose members, by the way, also happen to make up the world-famous Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra. And that's what I call high quality. The Vienna State Opera was built in 1869. It is nicknamed the first house on the ring, as it was the first major building on the Vienna Ringstrasse. Each season, the schedule features 350 performances of more than 60 different operas and ballets, including 9 premieres. In addition, it stages many child-friendly performances as well. To get to the Vienna State Opera, take the subway U1, U2, or U4 to Karlsplatz. The Vienna State Opera has room to accommodate many, many people, with around 1,700 seats and 560 standing places, with tickets ranging in price from expensive to extremely affordable. And, despite all of that, the main auditorium retains an atmosphere of intimacy and grandeur. I mean, look at that chandelier. Look at the gilded panels. But this isn't only a space for glamour. Behind me right now, the hardworking crew of the Vienna State Opera are busily setting up for what is sure to be another magnificent performance tonight. Every year in winter, the Vienna State Opera turns into the world's most famous ballroom, when the Vienna Opera Ball marks the high point of the season. Around 5,000 visitors party and dance away at this glamorous gala. 150 young couples dance the opening dance, and it all starts with one famous line, "Let the waltz begin." So everybody who's seen this show knows that I am a complete fashion and design freak, which is why I'm really excited to be here. We are behind the scenes at the costume department of the Vienna State Opera. I'm with Martin, who's the repertoire tailor, and he's gonna kind of show me around and tell me what exactly is this cabinet of wonder that we're looking at.
Yeah, hi. This is Don Giovanni, one of the most famous Mozart operas, as you know.
Oh.
And
yes.
My favorite.
Oh my God, yes.
So beautiful.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. And this just seems like thousands and thousands. Every cabinet is just full, or?
Yeah, it's just the male costumes.
Only the male costumes?
And only a few.
Wow, all right.
Yeah.
And it already seems absolutely endless. The Vienna State Opera has remained a living and vibrant landmark in this city. But you don't only have to come inside to experience it. A fun fact is that during the months of April, May, June, and September, certain performances are broadcast live right outside on a 50-square-meter LED screen for free. And that literally means that anyone can participate and be a part of its continued success.